Welcome to this video. Today we are talking about EVS, germs and diseases. We have studied that microbes are helpful in digestion of food. We also know there are some harmful microbes. Whenever there is a change in season, people fall ill. Whenever you have a rainy season, people get all sorts of diseases like cold, cough, fever, diarrhea, etc. Some of the illness that people have are caused by insects and by the microbes. The most popular fever that we have during rainy season is malaria, and it is caused by mosquito. Mosquitoes also cause dengue and chikungunya, but malaria is less dangerous compared to dengue and chikungunya. Disease called malaria is caused by bites of female mosquito carrying a parasite, and then we get a fever. Female mosquitoes are called anopheles. Female mosquitoes carry the parasite. Parasite is something that will eat the germ that lives inside the body. And then we get a fever. When we go to doctor, the doctor will try to give a medicine for the fever, and when it is not getting cured, they will ask us to do a blood test. There are different types of blood tests. Sometimes you give 2 drops of blood, sometimes you give from 10, 15, 20 milliliter of blood. So for malaria, for testing whether you have malaria, 2 drops of blood if you give, the pathologist, that is the lab in the hospital, will observe the blood by keeping it under microscope. Microscope is a device that helps to see small things as big. It is like a magnifying glass. So through the microscope, when they see, they will be able to see whether your blood has certain germs, which is, when they identify, they will know you are having malaria. How you got this? This comes into your blood because a mosquito has bitten you. How the mosquito causes this microbe to come into your body? A mosquito carry this parasite in their stomach, the Anopheles mosquito, the female mosquito, and when they suck the blood from your body, they send this virus inside you. Then what the doctor prescribes, the doctor will prescribe a medicine. This medicine for malaria is actually invented from a plant called cinchona. So cinchona is used as a medicine to cure malaria. When do you get malaria? You get malaria when mosquito bites you. When mosquito normally bites you, it normally happens during rainy season, because mosquitoes breed more during rainy season, where mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Mosquitoes breed in the puddles of water in the pits on the street corners. So whenever you have a stagnant water, you should either help to make it dry by filling the pit, or spray some kerosene type oil so that on the surface the oil is there, and so the mosquito cannot lay eggs, and the larva of the mosquito will die because of absence of sunlight, because they cannot come to the surface because of the oil. So this is the way how we can prevent stagnant water from being there in small pits and puddles during rainy season. If we don't do this, mosquitoes will breed. So there will be lots of mosquitoes and there will be lots of parasites. These microbes, when the mosquito bites you, enter your body and you may get malaria. What else can we do? This is preventing the mosquito from breeding. If the mosquito is already there, lots of them, then how do you say? You should ensure inside your house you don't have dark corners. You can use a anti-mosquito cream on your skin. You can wear full sleeves and pants. You can use a mosquito net. You can have an insect net on your doors and windows. These are the ways in which we can prevent mosquito bite. If a mosquito bites, you get malaria. How do you find out you have malaria? By doing a blood test and observing the blood on the microscope. So the microbes are carried by malaria and injected into your body, causing you fever. What can we do for preventing malaria? Either you use net or full sleeves to prevent mosquito from biting you, or you prevent mosquitoes from breeding by not allowing them to have any stagnant water. Iron and anemia. When there is a shortfall of iron in your blood, it is called you have a shortfall or deficiency of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a component of the blood which is in general terms called as iron. Hemoglobin is the component of the blood that makes your blood look red, hemoglobin. And if you have a deficiency of hemoglobin, then you are called anemic. Anemic is a type of disease or a condition of the blood where hemoglobin is deficient. Normally we should have 12 to 16 mg per liter of blood. And when it comes below this, we call it as a shortfall of hemoglobin. If you have an iron deficiency, you will be prescribed iron tablets. This iron is different from the metal iron that we are talking about. When you are given iron tablets, it actually contains vitamins. Some fresh fruits or legumes also you can eat. By this, what will happen? The iron in your blood, the hemoglobin in your blood, that will go up and you will become more normal. So anemic means there is not enough redness in your blood. That is, the hemoglobin is deficient, iron deficiency. If you are anemic, what happens? If you are anemic, you feel tired, you don't grow well, you cannot study, you cannot concentrate. So many children have this iron deficiency disease during the young age. And this affects your physical and mental health, iron deficiency or anemic. So we take iron tablets and vitamins to make our hemoglobin level at to acceptable levels. What are the other diseases caused by insects? Not only mosquitoes cause malaria, flies also cause insects. Flies carry the microbes or the parasites wherever they go. When they sit on the food, they transfer the germs, the microbes, into the food. And when we have that food, we fall sick. So that is why we say food should be kept covered. That is why we say we should not eat from the streets. Because the flies might have sat on it and brought some germs from somewhere, from the dirt into it. So we should keep our surroundings clean so that flies don't breed, and we should keep our food covered so that flies don't sit on it and spread the disease causing germs. Now during rains, mosquitoes breed is one negative thing. Something else also happens. There is a type of plant called algae. This algae, just like a fungus, this algae grows whenever it is very damp. It grows on the top of a hard surface, a solid surface, whenever it is very damp because of rains. This algae looks green and are slippery. During rains, many weeds grow automatically. These weeds are growing because the seeds have come and fallen here from somewhere due to air and water. And the wind and water that brought the seeds here now grows because of the rain. These weeds, during rains, you will see it will be very green everywhere. And half of them are useless weeds that has grown on its own. These weeds help in breeding the mosquitoes. There are a lot of type of mosquitoes that sit on this leaf or lay eggs on this leaf and breed well. So during rainy season, we also have to take care to have the weeds removed so that disease causing insects do not breed. Thanks for watching this video. Before that, one important thing is that the disease causing malaria, the disease called malaria, is caused by mosquito. Mosquitoes carry these germs and inject into our body and it comes to our blood. This finding, this discovery was done by Ronald Ross, and he was given the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1902. Nobel Prize is the highest honor you can get for anything being best in the field. We have a Nobel Prize for Literature. Rabindranath Tagore had won for Nobel Prize for Literature. We have a Nobel Prize for Medicine. We have Nobel Prize for Physics. We have Nobel for Mathematics. We have Nobel Prize for Economics, not for Peace, etc. Now, Nobel Prize for Medicine was given to Ronald Ross for doing research on mosquitoes. He used to cut the mosquito and see what is inside. And then one day he found the female mosquitoes carried a germ inside their stomach, which was exactly same as what we see in the blood of a person infected by malaria. Thanks for watching this video on insects during rainy season causing diseases.